do a cotton candy pink makeup look for summer of 2026 with me. So my 4th of July holiday was great. It was a lot of fun. But this year, I was supposed to go to Point Pleasant to check out the fireworks for the 250th anniversary of America, but they postponed it for July 5th because of the weather conditions and especially the thunderstorm situations. I was supposed to vlog to make that up for Sunday, but apparently because of the thunderstorms once again or rain conditions, I couldn't make it. But the day of the 4th of July, I went to Mid Island Beach to check out the fireworks. It was good, and I had a fun. Oh, by the way, I had a vlog that I did night one of watching the fireworks show, so go check it out on my main YouTube channel. And because of that, I'm gonna have to go tomorrow since Point Pleasant it's doing fireworks every Thursday night, so that's good. At least I'll have a great opportunity. Yep, an opportunity to go check out the fireworks every Thursdays if anyone misses it on the day of 4th of July. So I apologize that I didn't go on Sunday because of the weather conditions and the situation with the thunderstorm, so I hope you understand. It's not that I'm gonna miss out, it's just the weather forecast, which I don't trust the weather at all. Never mind all my years of checking the weather forecast, whether on TV or on my local news, or even checking the weather forecast on my cell phone. Never in my years of checking the weather, I never had one chance of trusting the weather because sometimes it changes and because they like to play tricks on us. I'm gonna go with this palette first, and the colors I'm gonna be using is this pink color mixed with metallic light pink, just to have a perfect color for the cotton candy look, the pink look. I'm very excited about doing more makeup looks. And unlike the previous years, I missed out doing at least more than 5 or more than 10 makeup looks in July in the previous years. So I would say this year I'm gonna make those up for, unlike previous years, let's say 2021 until now, just because I'm not sure why though. Well, I had things to do, I was busy, or even worse, I have uh I have no idea what other videos I want to post. Either do vlogs or doing my singing videos, which I'm not gonna do until I get 200 subscribers on my main YouTube channel. By the way, I had 2 vlogs on my main YouTube channel so far, so I'm gonna do another one tomorrow to make it up for Sunday that they postponed for the fireworks show for 4th of July. So I'm gonna make that up. I'm gonna pretend like it's 4th of July tomorrow. Just a game, just to pretend. I know 4th of July already passed. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna use this palette and go with this pink color. So let's be clear on that. So I'm gonna pretend like it's 4th of July tomorrow. I know it already passed, but because I didn't go on Sunday to Point Pleasant to watch the fireworks show and check out how is it gonna be a lot special than unlike previous years, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna vlog. I'm gonna pretend like it's night 2. And by the way, I'm gonna change my nails on Friday, so stay tuned. So I absolutely love watching the fireworks, so tomorrow's a great opportunity. So be alert for my new vlogs. I'm gonna try to do more than 2 vlogs in July because I failed to do it unlike previous years, especially the ones I started it in 2023. By the way, I'm gonna go with this pink color, baby pink, light pink, however you want to call it, but yes, it's like a pastel. Just to have a backup color. I just love doing makeup in general. Not only summer, but in fall, winter, and spring. Since I love doing makeup. Oh, the fun fact is, I started to put on makeup since I was 10 years old. That was back in 2015. But I only wear the kids' makeup, not the women's style that I'm wearing right now, because I wasn't old enough until I was like between 15, 16 years old, or 13 or whatever. I'm mostly gonna say maybe 13 years old. I started to put on women's makeup and not the kids one. The kids' makeup kit. Except I can wear eyeshadow, lipstick, blush. But I did not put on eyeliner or any mascara or do eyebrows till I was 13 years old. Except at 12 years old, I only wear a blue eyeliner, not a black or brown, because I'm not allowed to wear that until I was like 13 years old. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna use this brand new brown Wiclet eyeliner for the first time. No longer wearing the ones that I had since 2021. This is from 2026 as well, and the brand is Wet n Wild. You can see here, just like in my last video, I show it to you all that going forward and from now on, I'm gonna wear this eyeliner. Also, another announcement, I want to post more makeup tutorial videos, because unlike previous years, I failed to do at least maybe between 3 or 4. I had to check on my YouTube channel to see how many videos in July from previous years I posted. Either 1 videos, 2 videos, 3 videos, or 0. I had to check. I'll say approximately I want to do more than 2 videos in July if I have not done yet, just to get more views. And by the way, I'm gonna use this mascara for the first time. Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara, that's what it's called. Because I need to give some of these mascaras I had a rest, and the ones I used for my mom's, which is a gold one, I gave it back to her because I told her I'm only gonna borrow it just for temporarily until I get my own brand new mascara. So yeah, from now on I'm gonna use this mascara just to make my lashes dark. Alright, come back for the fake eyelashes and for me to do mascara on the bottom lashes, and I'll be right back to do the lips. Okay, so I did the lashes right here, especially the mascara on the bottom lashes. If you want to know what lashes I'm using right now, it's this pack. So I say tomorrow I'll use the ones that I have from 2024, but I bought a copy from one of my local stores. I think I bought it at Five Below. That's where I got the same same brand, same style of lashes that I used to love. So that's good though. Now for lips, I want to do Shocking Pink lipstick right here from Wet n Wild. And lastly, I'm going to go with this metallic light pink lipstick from NK Makeup called Tester. I need a new light pink lipstick for myself, but without the metallic. I just want to get an original light pink lipstick. I don't care what brand, but stay tuned because I'm going to show it to you all. Okay guys, so this is the final makeup look, and don't mind the purple gloves I'm wearing right now. It does not come with the pink shirt that I'm wearing. This is the one I showed you in my last video on my main YouTube channel where I show you all my summer outfits of 2026, so go check it out. I like this look because it's absolutely pinky and awesome and gorgeous. I look gorgeous in pink, so it looks good for the summer. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this tutorial, this makeup tutorial. And if you want to see more of these videos like that from me, give this video a big thumbs up, great comment, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my content. Stay tuned for more vlogs And hopefully once I get 200 subscribers on my main YouTube channel, I'll go back to singing videos. Either as my original music or some singing cover videos, meaning singing songs from artists that I love listening to. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so see you on my next video and have a good day. Bye!